Yo everyone, good morning and welcome to another vlog. So today has already started off awesome. So if you guys haven't seen yesterday's vlog, which I recommend you do, basically I saw a dog running in the street alone. The weirdest thing has just happened, guys. This dog ran away from one of my neighbors. I saw him run. And I don't know what to do except for follow him. I decided to chase it down with my electric bike, stopped the dog and called the owner. Basically the dog ran away, but the owner actually brought a letter this morning and it says, check this out, I haven't opened it yet. It says, to the people who found Lois. That's the dog's name. So I thought we'd open the letter for the vlog. And she brought my mum's favorite dessert, guys. These are from like Germany, so that's awesome.
Netherlands.
Oh, Netherlands? I'm sorry, Netherlands, guys. I'm sorry. Dear people, oh, look at this guy. That's a beautiful card. Dear people, thanks for holding on to Lois when she ran off last night. Here are some Dutch cookies. Thank you. Aw, that is so sweet. Thank you so much if you're watching this. I'm not sure if you are, but that is an awesome card, and yay! You see, guys, I saved the life. I saved the life.
And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on. No, God, please, no, no!
So since I bought this pumpkin yesterday, guys, I want to take it through a couple of tests, okay? First of all, I'm just going to carve it normally. This is probably more dangerous than it looks, guys, because I'm not a good cutter. So I want to try this without, like, cutting my finger up, okay? Oh my god, okay. Oh my god. Yeah, this is probably not safe at all. This is so much harder than it looks, guys. Change a knife. All right, hopefully this one works out better. How do they do this? I think we've done it, guys. I think we've done it. Oh, come on. Ah, okay, no, we haven't. Whoa. Oh my god, this is gross. Ah, look at that. That is disgusting. This stinks so bad. You know what, guys? I realized carving a pumpkin is not that fun, you know? I'm just gonna go straight for the kill. Let's do pumpkin versus my car. Let's do this. Here goes nothing, guys. Let's do this. Let's put the pumpkin under my car. I'm gonna try and just wedge it under here. Oh, we have a problem. It doesn't fit. What? It doesn't fit under my car. You know what? We're gonna reverse under it, guys. We're gonna reverse the car onto it. There's not enough space to just run over from the front. Woo, woo. Nice and snug. Okay, I think this will work, guys. 3, 2, 1. Yo, check this out, guys. My tire print is on the pumpkin. That is crazy. Do you see that, guys? All the rubber marks. His face is still there. His face is still there. Rest in peace, Mr. Pumpkin. Rest in peace, guys. He had a good one-day lifespan. He died in one day. For everybody celebrating Diwali, I hope you have an amazing day. It's today, and there's a bunch of fireworks going on. So hopefully, I'm gonna try and catch them on the vlog. It's behind the tree. Yo, I can just about see them. Damn it! The tree is blocking the view. Our tree is blocking it. You can't see anything. It's behind the tree. Whoa! Fireworks.
So right now, me and my family are about to head out to see if there's some cool celebrations outside, and yeah, we're just about to leave right now, and whoa. Okay guys, that's pretty scary. Yeah. Okay.
Halloween.
Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no, 'cause I got you.
Yo, look at this, boys. We just made it over to the spot. You already know. You already know what it is. Time to eat. Time to eat some food.
You already know.
You already know. Watch me win. Silento, man. Guys, a lot of you have actually asked. Silento is actually back in America, but who knows? Next time he's here, we'll definitely do some more vlogs. So we just came to eat, guys, but look at the cool decoration they have in terms of lighting over here. Whoa. Have you got a lazy eye?
Lazy eye? What do you mean?
One of your eyes is looking this way and one of them is looking at me. I swear.
Can I see myself?
I swear. This eye is looking that way. What is going on?
What do you mean? I can't see it.
So now that we're having our food, guys, it actually reminds me of something. I'm not sure if you guys watch my sister's vlogs, but the other day she vlogged making some food and she microwaved spaghetti. Yep, you heard me. She microwaved her spaghetti, guys. So
You roasted me in the comment section. There were some people were like, you don't know how to cook. I did mention it was already ready. Like my mom had made like the pasta before.
oh, exposed. So Mommy Mo made it. Mommy, oh, Lana Rose exposed. Oh my God. Our dessert just got here, guys.
Entered into the Guinness World Record books.
One slice of cake, they told us. One slice. That does not look like one. That looks like one whole damn cake, bruh. What type of slice are you selling us? Chocolate. Choco. Look at that. That looks delicious, guys. Oh my God. Alright, we are now officially done. Oh, this is a heavy door. So we just took a family photo right now, guys. Ready, guys? Let's go. 3, 2. Yeah, I think that's a nice family photo right there.
Okay.
So they actually have a different gaming section over here, and we found the craziest ride ever, okay? Me and Lana are gonna go horse riding, guys. You heard me. We're gonna go racing horses on a track. You can vlog yourself. There
No,
you go.
you have
no,
to
you
vlog,
vlog it.
Mom.
Why do I vlog it? You
Why?
vlog it.
If you're gonna sit in the front, you
No,
vlog.
you're in the front. Come.
This is so embarrassing, guys. I don't think this is meant for us.
There's seatbelts on this.
Oh wow, wait guys, we're getting strapped in now.
Hold tight.
on. Yo, Mo, Mo. Oh my god, this thing actually, it's going up and down, guys.
I'm coming.
Mo, it literally is like a horse ride, yo.
That's what's up, boy. I'm coming. You already know what's up. Round two. I'm catching up to my sister. Look at the point of view you get on this thing. Come on, hip hip, hooray! Honestly, guys, I think I'm way too heavy for this thing because I hear it like squeaking.
Yo, there's so many horses coming our way. Oh my god, guys, check out my horse. Mo, come on, catch up, Mo. You're so behind. Oh my god, I'm literally like, this thing actually goes like that. Oh my god. My brother's trying to catch up, guys. I won the race. So, victory, Team Lana, Lolo squad in the building. Oh my god, my horse is bending. My horse is literally bending.
Alright, there you go. I think I killed my horse. Yeah, I enjoyed it. I don't think this guy enjoyed it. I was like 100 kilograms on that thing. You already know, guys, that's what's up. I just finished my horse racing. A strange puddle from the middle of nowhere. Suspicious, huh? Suspicious.
What is wrong with you guys? Seriously? I just saw her in the camera. Yo, we're gonna knock on a car, yo.
Yo, you know what's funny? I got scared when I saw her in my mirror and she told me to be quiet.
You ruined my karaoke, guys. That was so bad. You guys are so bad. Did you set this up? Did you set this up?
No. I saw her and I was like,
yeah, I was about to turn up the lights because I was getting into my karaoke. It doesn't, you ruined my song. Every time now I listen to the song, I remember I'm getting scared of the clown.
Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman, that all? Why me you crank that soldier? Now why me you crank that soldier?
Jump in the whip, jump on the stage, jump in the hotel, jump in the rave, jump in an Aston, jump in a rave.
I think I shouldn't have shaken the camera so much.
sorry if you guys have trouble watching shaky images. My sister has a shaky hand.
No, I just thought it'd be a cool effect.
No! God, please, no!
Now that we're home, guys, the first thing I want to show you, look at what my mom and sister bought from the supermarket. They're these super tiny tangerines. And let me tell you something about tiny tangerines. They are the most sour fruit you're ever going to try. Let me see. I haven't even tried it, but I know they're going to be sour, okay? I swear, I'm not lying. This stuff tastes so bad. Anyways, there's one thing I actually want to open that my sister got from the fan mail today, so let me go grab it. Oh my god. Let's get straight into this box. This is one extremely big box, guys. Oh my god. What is this? I don't even know what this is, guys. It's some sort of exhaust. Is this actually an exhaust? I don't even know. Thank you for the exhaust. Yeah. What do you want me to do with this exactly? I don't know. Okay, so I just read the letter, guys. Now I kind of have an idea what this is. Basically, they have a racing team. They were telling me this at the event as well. And this is a custom exhaust system they made. And another one, guys. And another one. I think I need to say another thank you for the custom exhausts. I appreciate it. I don't exactly know if they fit onto my car, but I will keep them, okay? I'm just gonna have them as decoration. I think they do look awesome. Anyways, guys, as always, I'm gonna wrap up today's vlog here, but before I do, there's actually one thing I need to ask you guys to do. It's a small little favor for me. I checked my analytics on my channel, and it's crazy. 55% of my daily viewers have forgotten to press subscribe. So if that's one of you guys, I know it only takes like 5 seconds, but trust me, it makes a big difference to me, so I'd appreciate if you did that. So go down and press subscribe and be a part of the Yo-Yo Squad family. We out here, boy. Vlog extras, guys. I'm going around the house showing everybody my new exhaust system. Check it out. We're in Lana's room. She's seen them, but she doesn't know what this is for. This is for your car. We're fitting the Lambo with new exhaust systems, guys. That's what's up.
Are you for real?
Thanks again for the exhausts. I appreciate that. Alright, YOLO YOLO. Goodbye. Boom.